Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device here. This is the Heatijo Japanese saw. This is an hand saw, a Japanese hand saw, or it's called Nokogiri. This is a type of saw used in woodworking and Japanese carpentry that cuts on the pull stroke, unlike the most European saws that cut on the push stroke. Japanese saws are the best known pull saws, but they are also used in China, Iran, Iraq, Korea, Nepal, and Turkey. Among European saws, both coping saws for woodworking and jewelry saws for metalworking also cut on the pull stroke like Japanese saws. Cutting on the pull stroke is claimed to be cut more effectively and leaves a narrower cut wide curve. On the other hand, a pull stroke does not easily permit putting one's body weight behind the stroke. This can be really solved by using a vise or a clamping. Another disadvantage due to the arrangement of the form of the teeth is the Japanese saws that do not work as well on hardwoods as European saws do. Japanese saws were originally intended for comparatively soft woods like cypress and pine, whereas European saws were intended for hardwoods like oak and maple. The popularity of the Japanese saws in other regions of the world has resulted in the manufacture and production of a number of Japanese saws outside of Japan itself. And here it comes by Heatijo. This double edge pull saw 11/17 TPI wood fine saw, Japanese saw, flush cut saw for DIY woodworking and tools for outdoor and indoor use, comes to us in this design here. Most people are used to the European saws, so-called sliding saws. Japanese saws cut materials by pulling. Compared to the sliding saws, the Japanese saws is lighter in weight, less effort, and cleaner edges. This makes it easier for tool for precise carpentry. And this SK5 saw blade made of high carbon steel enters extremely fine cut surface with a minimal effort. The handle is made of the beech wood, which is lightweight and ergonomic, with a soft handle for time and energy saving. The double-edged handsaw has two sides with teeth, one with a teeth of 11 TPI, rougher side, and the other side with 17 TPI. This is the denser side. The rougher side is better suited for the longitudinal selection, faster and less detailed cut. The denser side is better for the cross selection, relatively slower and more detailed cut. For example, we cut flush with the wall in the wood. As everyone knows, a saw with three-sided grinding teeth is sharper and more wear resistant. Cutting while pulling reduces the binding, making it easier to achieve a smoother cut. It's an ideal choice for woodworker in DIY area. Whether we are a master or a beginner, we use Japanese wood saws to expand our tool arsenal. The wood tool can be used for many purposes, such as branch saws, foxtail, and so on. The saw blade's material is SK5. The handle material is BEE wood. The total length is 310 mm, 12.2 inches, and the saw blade length is 205 mm. This is 8.1 inches. The tooth pitch is 11 and 17 TPI in millimeters, and the application is for woodworking, gardening, construction, and for outdoor and indoor use. We have a double blade. We have 11 teeth per inch in this saw. It's a mini double-sided saw, which can make a good job, of course. So it is so easy, you can handle it. This is the Hiatijo Japanese saw. It's a hand saw which we can use for nearly every work where it is necessary to cut wood or plastic. Detailed, fast, and reliable. That's cool. That's a good saw. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!